Two models running today. The first one is a J36 65311 Haig Hornby model R36 21W, weathered, coal and driver and fireman added. Fantastic locomotive and the weathering is superb. Here's the other loco we're running today, which is Maude, another J36, number 673, model number R3600TTS with an SW added. I think that means super weathering. I don't believe it came weathered from Hornby, but I can't remember. And again, I've added crew and coal. And Maude is a digital locomotive with sound. So basically we're running two locomotives, one with sound and one without. And here you can see both locomotives together. And on the right you've got Haig, and on the left you've got Maude. Thank you. Maude and Haig crisscross at the rock. Maude that is pulling the trucks was a TTS model, and the Haig is weathered but analogue, which is a locomotive pulling the Medivac train. These J36 locomotives from Hornby are absolutely superb. Absolutely superb. There you can see Haig. And as I say, these J36s that Hornby have done, they really are cute cookies. My personal preference is to run one digital and one analogue, because you start having loads of sound, it becomes an intertwined din, in my opinion. And there goes Haig. And here comes Maude. The mistake we made with these wagons was we just filled them up with sand, and they are a little bit heavy, but it's doing okay. In the background you've got Haig pulling the two tanks and the Medi train, and here comes Maude. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, seeing Maude and Haig J36 locomotives pulling these trains around. They are both weathered, and Maude is Hornby TTS out of the box. You can buy TTS, which I thought about doing to Haig, but as I run either or, it doesn't really make much of a difference to me. but they are smashing and a great appendage to any model railway. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing these locomotives run. Thank you.